Okay, group three. So today we're going to be completing an experiment where we investigate the thermal properties of clothing. So we know that in cold temperatures we have to adapt and change how we wear. We can't just wear our normal clothes. We have to be aware of how they're able to maintain our heat. When we look at example penguins, penguins are able to maintain their heat through feathers and their skin and their layers of fat, but their feathers are also waterproof, so this helps to keep them warm and help them feel insulated. We're going to look at a short clip here about how humans are able to maintain their heat and their warmth in the Antarctic.
About how humans keep warm in Antarctica. It's all about layers. Layers, layers, layers. Layers are essential in Antarctica because they allow you to regulate your body temperature. If you're too hot, you take off a layer. If you're too cold, you put another back on. I think I've taken a bit too much off this time. Oh, it's good to have these back on.
Okay, so what we are going to be doing for our experiment today is we are going to be investigating using a range of different materials how we're able to maintain heat and keep our heat in. So we're going to be using a range of resources. So in your box you have Ziploc bags, tinfoil, wool, sponge, fabrics, styrofoam, bubble wrap, thermometers, and ice water. So we are going to be completing, there's two parts to this activity. So first we're going to be completing the experiment of how we're able to read the temperature whenever they are wrapped in these different materials. Then we're going to be creating um, clothing that are able to withstand cold temperatures. So first we're going to do is we're going to record the temperature of the ice water by placing the thermometer in a Ziploc bag. So then we choose a material from the box of resources, we wrap or cover the thermometer and insert it into the Ziploc bag and place it back in the water. Then we record our temperature and we record different things that we've noticed about the experiment. So then you are going to be creating an outfit with the best thermal properties to withstand the cold temperatures. So whenever we read our recording, so if we try to look at the materials and see what is the highest temperature, and you integrate this into creating an outfit best suited to cold temperatures. We must remember when we're completing this experiment that we let the thermometer return to room temperature before trying a new material to ensure that this is a fair test.